What starts as a $1 pizza dispute spirals into a multi-felony arrest in minutes. Officers arrive to what they correctly call a civil argument over a refund. No crime, no enforcement authority. Then the business orders the customer out. She refuses. The word trespass is spoken. From that moment on, this is no longer about pizza. It's about control, compliance, and how fast a legally clean scene can collapse when no one backs down.
911.
Hi, can I get a piece of police to the ghetto gas unit?
What's going on?
Because they don't want to give me my money back for this pizza, and I don't want it.
What's your name?
My name Coco.
Coco, what's your last name?
Stupid MILF.
Okay. I've been out there.
All right, thank you.
Me for a pizza, now he's telling me I owe him $1. I don't even want the pizza. He left. Him and his wife just left. Some black girl in there. And they didn't give me my $12 back, so I want my money back. I don't want the pizza. I don't even trust the pizza.
She rude as fuck.
I don't care.
And you already know I don't even play with people. So now she gotta wait till somebody to refund from Goldie. I'm not getting my shit.
Okay, so
I want my money. I'm not from down here.
Did you order a pizza?
I ordered a pizza. I ordered a pizza about 30-40 minutes ago. They didn't tell me that it was $1 fee. They should have told me that. She told me to come back. I told them I was going to send my stepdaddy up here to get the pizza. She gets on the phone telling me about $1. I said, what's the $1 for? I already paid for the pizza. Go to receipt right here. I got some other shit. The kids and shit didn't ate that shit already. That was 40 minutes ago. I don't even want the pizza. I don't trust the pizza.
Remind you.
Can I get my $12? They left.
She dealt with Goldie. She dealt with a mom. But like I told, okay, when you buy a frozen pizza on Link, it's $1 fee to cook it. That's her problem that she didn't tell her.
Okay.
And like when I got here, when she told me what happened, I said, well, just get them the fucking pizza, and that's fine. We can pay for $1. They left. I can't deal with that.
So
but when I told her it's not my fault, it's a mom fault for not explaining when you buy
I'm not from down here, sir. I don't know what's going on. My mama didn't want the pizza. I was batting for them. Now I don't want it. I want my $12 back. I don't want the pizza.
Okay.
I'm leaving in a couple hours.
Here's the deal. As you engaged in a transaction that made something that expires or goes bad. So they made this pizza for you.
I don't want it. I don't trust it.
I know, but you can't return something that is made.
You eat. I want my money back.
I don't want to eat it. I
don't want it either.
You already made this.
Well, they should have stayed here when the police came. Said police came. I need my money. I don't want the pizza. I don't even trust it.
You don't trust the pizza?
No, I don't.
You know what?
Love you.
I don't want that damn pizza.
Sis, you don't want that damn pizza.
Do you want? It's already paid for.
I want my $12.
It's not paid for. She still got to pay $1 for it.
I'll pay the $1.
Okay. I told them I would have paid the damn $1.
It ain't about the $1, baby. I got plenty of money.
It's not even about
you. It's not about the $1. I got plenty of money, baby. Plenty of money in here. It's not.
Officers continued to explain that this was a civil issue, and law enforcement was unable to take any action. Shortly after, officers in the group walked back inside, where things escalated.
Alright, I'm going to ask them if they want their pizza.
That's the lie. It's a lie. It's the principle. I want my $12 back. I don't want the pizza.
Okay.
It's the principle of the situation. That's all I'm not getting. Ain't no deal.
You can have your pizza.
I don't want the pizza.
Then you need to leave.
You need to give me my $12.
I'm not giving you anything. You need to leave or you'll be under arrest for trespassing.
Ain't nobody trespassing. I
know.
You are now being told to leave. You're now being trespassed, so get out.
I tell you, y'all bitches ain't here fucking racist. Yo,
Walk out.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Don't touch it. Don't touch my sister.
Get off. Get off. Get off now.
Don't touch it. I don't get no fuck.
You're under arrest.
That's my sister.
You are getting. You are going to be released. You want to get back right now. Get back. Turn around. Turn around. Right now. Get off now.
Giovanni, we need assistance here right now.
Walk to the car. Walk to the car.
You want to go to jail, bro. No, he puts up. Mother touch me.
Get back. Back up. arrest now too.
Let me go.
Stop touching me. Let me go. Hurry up, get my stuff. Hurry up, get my stuff.
Stay back right now.
Get my stuff. Get my stuff. Get my stuff.
Bro, let me stand down, please.
Okay, get back.
I'm getting very irritated. Bro.
Stand up. You're getting in my car.
Got my purse? Yeah.
Turn around.
You got my phone?
Passenger side of my car.
Oh my God, bro, this shit is some fucking bullshit, bro. For real. Then y'all just want to fucking slam me on the ground? Like, bro, this
Yes, you hit me in the face.
shit, because you got my sister, bro.
If she would obey, she'd be walking out the police department in 15 minutes. Now you're going to jail.
You put your hands on me.
That cop punched me.
Let me go.
Nope.
I see the whole thing.
Let me go. You're not even supposed to be touching me. You're not even the one. Record this. Record this. You put your hands on me.
He did.
And I didn't even do anything.
You ready,
You're not even supposed to be touching me. You a whole guy. You're not even supposed to be touching me. You a whole dude. You a whole dude. You're not even supposed to be touching me.
Look, more
Jimmy,
white.
son.
I'm getting them. I ain't been into anything. You not even supposed to touch me.
Yup, that's true.
You wasn't even supposed to touch me. You're a whole woman. You push me. Now always got that in my car.
No way, that thing.
Get up on your knees.
Let me stand up. Let my
All right,
stand
get up.
Y'all touching on me. Y'all need to take these handcuffs off.
Walk to that car. No.
Call my
Walk
lawyer.
to that car.
Call my lawyer.
Okay, you can call your lawyer.
Call my lawyer. Make sure they know. I'm in the middle
Come on.
of
Come on.
a injury lawsuit.
Come on.
And he pushed me. So I did put my hands on him.
More white cop.
You ain't seven.
What's your name? Get all their names. What's all their
Sit
names?
down now. Have a seat.
Sit
down, please.
Shut the fuck up.
Sit down in the car.
Why y'all want to lady?
Sit down in the car. Sit down in the car.
I
Get
am
in the car.
I am in the car. His name is Kingdom.
Sit down. You're gonna get off.
His name is Briar. His name is
Name will
Garney.
be on your.
Kingdom Briar
Step back. You can record
He
just back
pushed
there,
me.
okay?
Get him. Get him. He pushed me.
Get in the car. Sit in the car. His name is Gearhart. We have all of your
Get
information.
him. He pushed me.
Get in the car.
Get him. He the one that pushed me.
Don't touch me.
Just step
Don't
back.
touch me. I
You can
messed with
record.
Shannon.
You can
Don't touch
record.
me. Don't
Just
touch
step
me.
back.
Don't touch me.
You can record.
Don't
Just
touch
step
me.
back there.
Don't touch me.
I'm not gonna touch you.
Don't touch me.
I'm not gonna touch you.
Don't
Just step
touch me,
back.
because I'm gonna sue the fuck out of your bitch. Don't touch me.
Really?
After securing 2 of the 3 subjects, officers worked to determine if the third individual needed to be arrested.
Was anything damaged?
Oh, she just knocked all the shit over. I'm gonna pick it up.
You want her charged with criminal damage?
Yes.
All right.
All 3 of them.
Yep. 95.
I'm not under arrest.
You're gonna be under arrest too.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not under arrest for shit.
Yes, you are. We're telling you right
Don't
now you
touch
are.
me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Do not. Take her to the ground right now. Take her to the ground. Hands behind your back. Put your hands behind
You
your back.
stepping on my glasses. I need my
Hands
glasses.
behind your back.
Can I have my glasses?
Yes, ma'am. We'll
I
get your
can't
glass.
see without my glasses.
We'll get your glass. Second pair. That's all I got right now.
Shorty, record it.
Put your hand back.
I'm in the middle.
11, 7, and 12 status.
Can I have
10-4, we're at 395. Yeah.
Next time, I'm gonna hush them.
It's alright. Can you meet us at the police department?
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
No, I cannot. My My side hurt. I'm in the middle of the lawsuit. I just got out of an accident.
Okay.
I'm suing the fuck out of y'all.
We're gonna help you get up, okay?
Don't touch me. I do it myself. Don't touch me.
Go ahead and get up there.
I don't want you to touch me.
Get up.
Don't touch me.
Get up. No. What's that?
Come on, daughter. Can I talk to her?
You talk to her at the police department, okay?
Trying to find out.
She hit me very, very hard in the side of the head.
She did?
Yes.
Damn it, come on, bro. You better get an aggravated battery police. That's a felony, gang. Y'all out here tweaking, bro. That's a felony. I just got off that shit.
Police car.
Damn, stop trying to play.
Did she get up? You can meet us at the police department, Tristan.
Alright,
we're gonna get you up to your feet, okay?
I don't want y'all to touch me. Don't touch me.
We're gonna have to help you. You gotta get up.
Please don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Get up.
Don't touch me. Y'all gonna be here for all day. Don't touch me.
Well, okay, we can.
Get up.
Don't touch me. Send me a woman cop. Don't touch me.
All right, let's pick her up.
Do not touch me.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Don't touch me.
Stand up. Stand up.
Take your legs out.
Don't touch me.
Stand up.
Don't touch me. Let me go.
Stop pulling. You're getting more charges.
Let me go. I don't want you touching me. Don't let me go.
Doesn't matter.
Let me go.
You get what you get.
Let me go. Don't touch me.
Can you open your car?
And where's my glasses?
I think that older man had them.
I got them right here.
Put them on my face so I can see.
I'll put them up in the front.
Don't touch. Could you let me go, sir? Let me go.
Nope. Sit in the car. Oh, you don't have a cage? Nope. Kind of have a cage? I don't. Do you want to use a different car?
Yeah.
He doesn't have a cage. Can we put him in one of your cars? Put her.
We'll put them in your car. Is that cool?
I'm not.
Here.
I don't know.
That's fine. You'll be all right.
I'm on for training. So
Bring her up.
I know. I just don't think she'll fit.
The legal structure of this incident is actually very clean at the start, and that matters. The officers correctly identified the dispute as civil, a disagreement over food quality, a delayed order, or an undisclosed cooking fee does not create criminal liability. Police cannot force a refund, cannot compel a business to renegotiate a sale, and cannot threaten charges to fix a transaction. Calling it civil is not avoidance, it is constitutionally correct restraint. Up to that moment, there is no probable cause for anything. The legal switch flips when the business withdraws consent for the customer to remain inside. Trespass law is brutally simple and widely misunderstood. A person lawfully present becomes unlawfully present the moment they refuse to leave after being told to go. No signage is required, no countdown is required, no second warning is required. Once officers communicate that the person is trespassed, continued presence alone satisfies probable cause. At that point, the arrest authority is legitimate. Everything that follows must be evaluated through that lens, not through whether the pizza dispute felt fair, but whether the arrest itself was lawful. It was. Once officers initiate a lawful arrest, resistance becomes its own offense. Pulling away, refusing to turn around, stepping toward officers, inserting oneself into another person's arrest, all of that independently constitutes resisting and obstruction. None of those charges require violence. They require interference. The audio reflects repeated noncompliance and repeated physical involvement by multiple individuals. Those charges are legally strong. The felony exposure is where the case tightens. Aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer requires more than chaos. Prosecutors must prove intentional or knowing physical contact directed at officers while they are performing lawful duties. Officers assert they were struck in the face and head. If body camera video corroborates a deliberate blow, not incidental contact during a struggle, felony liability is real and sustainable. But this is also where defense counsel will press hardest. Courts are skeptical of felony enhancements arising from crowded, emotionally charged arrests unless the contact is clear, targeted, and documented. Flailing during restraint, reflexive movement, or collateral contact often collapses under cross-examination. Injury documentation, medical records, and consistent officer testimony will decide whether these counts hold or fold. On the force question, this does not present as a constitutional violation. Force escalates in response to resistance, not in anticipation of it. Commands are given. Control techniques follow refusal. Under Graham v. Connor, That sequencing is critical. There is no obvious gratuitous force divorced from arrest objectives. Where the case weakens is not legality, it's manageability. Multiple subjects, overlapping commands, emotional bystanders, and rapid escalation complicate jury perception. That does not erase probable cause, but it does increase litigation risk on the highest charges. This is a case where the law favors the officers early, rewards restraint initially, and then tests evidenti discipline once everything turns physical. Convictions on trespass, resisting, and obstruction are well supported. The felony counts rise or fall entirely on what the camera shows in the seconds where intent must be proven, not assumed. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.